Pool Payday and Solitaire Cash both use skill-based cash competitions, but they pay you through completely different games. Pool Payday is built around Pool, while Solitaire Cash is built around Solitaire. By the end, you'll know which app fits you better, how their cash tournaments work, and what to compare before entering a paid game. Pool Payday is the better match if you actually enjoy pool. The app focuses on competitive pool games, where players can enter cash tournaments in locations where real money play is available. The important part is that there isn't a fixed amount you automatically earn for playing. Your potential payout depends on the specific contest, entry fee, prize structure, and your performance. That means the first thing to check is the tournament screen. Look at the entry cost and the prize pool before you decide whether a contest is worth entering. Solitaire Cash takes the same basic competitive concept and applies it to Solitaire.d. Instead of aiming pool shots, you're competing in solitaire-based contests where cash prizes may be available in supported locations. Solitaire Cash can make more sense if you already play solitaire quickly and accurately. Pool Payday makes more sense if your stronger skill is pool. So which one pays more? There isn't a universal answer. Neither app guarantees a specific income, and the amount you can potentially win changes based on the contest you're entering and how you perform. For example, comparing one Pool Payday tournament with one Solitaire Cash tournament isn't enough. The entry fees and prize pools can be different, so compare contests with similar entry costs instead. There are also other factors that can affect whether you can actually play for cash. Real money tournaments may depend on your location, account eligibility, and the current rules of the app. Before depositing money, check the cash games section and confirm that paid tournaments are available to you. Then check the withdrawal section, so you know which payout methods are currently supported. If you prefer eBoy Pool, Pool Payday is the obvious choice, because the game itself is the main attraction. If you prefer Solitaire, Solitaire Cash gives you the same general competitive format without requiring you to learn pool. The biggest difference is therefore not a promised payout. It's the game you're better at and the specific tournament you're entering. For a practical comparison, open both apps and compare tournaments with similar entry fees. Look at the prize pool, number of participants, and withdrawal requirements before choosing. So the quick takeaway is, weigh Pool Payday for competitive pool, Solitaire Cash for competitive solitaire.t. Neither should be treated as guaranteed income. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money gaming app comparisons.